Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Hey, how y'all doing? Hey. Don't get me started because I will get all up into it. So today, as you could see from the title, we have a part 2 of my shoe collection. I've got some new babies recently and I've been asked multiple times to show my favorite shoes. So I picked out a few more of my favorite shoes because you guys know, if you've been following me, I am obsessed with shoes and I really don't care what anybody says because I don't care what anyone says. I just love shoes, and if you think it's a waste of money, clutter, space, whatever, I don't care what you say. I'm really a big fan of fashion and shoes and design and all that, so I really love shoes. Okay, so for you sneakerheads out there, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know that it doesn't matter how many pairs we have if we can't even fit them in our room. Y'all know. So let me get started with showing you some of my favorites. I got my chair back so I can sit here and show y'all some of my favorites. Let me just make sure y'all can see me. Are we good? Are we good? Okay, so the first ones I brought out here are my Air Maxes 270. I love these guys. I actually just wore these today to the gym, and usually, like I don't recommend doing leg day with, like, example, this bubble that's on the bottom, or like something that's, you know, not flat. Like I've told you guys before, always do leg day on a flat surface, but I did mostly like glutes and booty today and some hamstrings, so I wasn't squatting too much, so it wasn't too necessary that I needed like a flat butt shoe because I was doing a lot of jumping around and things like that, so it actually helped me. So I used these today for my leg day, and I don't know, people don't like the new look and like the bubble. I love it. I think it's so cute. I think that the combination color wise, how they always change like the bubble and the color is like amazing. I mean, I love it. So these are one of my new favorites recently. Oh my gosh, girl, you got so many shoes. What are you going to do? I'm going to wear them all. Okay. Now, since I just showed you those, I actually just got some new boys up in the house. And we got some more. But look at this color, you guys. Hello, yeah, can I get an order of this? Is some fucking life right here. Like, jeez, little. Oh my god, just talk to me. Talk to me. If you ain't talking money, I don't want to talk. No, but really, you guys, this color has me in La La Land. Like, I love, love, love teal, and the fact that they made these with the fly knit. Hold up. Wait. Simba, you know what I'm talking about. I need to get Simba a pair of shoes. Who agrees I should get Simba some shoes and put them on him? I wonder how much he would attack me then. My little tiger. For those that are new, Simba is my Bengal cat that's featured in pretty much all my videos because he likes to interrupt all my videos, but right now he's sleeping. So we good. Anyways, back to the topic. These literally are, I think, one of my new favorites, you guys. Look at that. The fly knit on here with, oh my god, with the bubble. Oh my god. Now, these I'm going to be very careful with because, as you'll be able to see, a lot of my white shoes don't look too white anymore because, yes, I wear my shoes to the gym, people. Like, some people look at me crazy when I'm doing workouts in my shoes, which I understand because as a sneakerhead, oh my god, you're creasing the shoes. Now let me bring out these next ones because I got shit for creasing these. The ones are ones of my favorites. ever, 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 ever. I can wear these in every color, so holla at your girl. The pink though, I love pink so much. I think these even look good on a guy. Like, I don't care. I love pink. And yes, so I wore these for leg day this past week. If you follow me on IG for honey, right here, TBabyLove2, you will probably see most of my outfits, my gym outfits. A lot of people ask for them, and I try and, you know, take pictures and tag them and stuff. Some of the days I'm just in a hurry and I don't, but I wore these for leg day, which are some of my favorites, and I thought, you know what, I won't crease them too bad because I'm doing like more like squats and stuff like that, so I was like on a flat surface. But then I started jumping around and doing stuff, and people were looking at me like, oh no honey, why are you wearing your ones on leg day? Shit happens, you know? When you got a lot of shoes, you gotta keep it on the move. Okay, so these next babies, I know you guys have seen in one of my last videos when I was boxing. I love, love, love Prestos. Like, I love Prestos. I think I showed you them in my first video. But now we got the Presto all whites. Okay, hunty. The only thing I would say I wasn't a huge fan of, that I'm still kind of not on all the off-whites, they add the red tag. I like to move and jump around, and it's really hard with this on here. It just gets in the way. So to be honest, half the time I take it off, and I took it off, and I probably shouldn't have done that on one pair, and then another pair I had to cut it. I know I'm going to get so much shit for that, but I'm just being honest. I did. But I love black shoes, and all black with the red just looks so freaking sexy. Like, so sexy. So these are some of my new favorites. Speaking of off-whites, we have here another pair of the off-whites, and I personally, like, I showed you guys these in my first video. I have the all-white ones as well. I love these. Some people just can't, they don't like the bubbles, like they can't stand the bubbles. I personally think it's cute. I mean, I know I'm a female. I've seen a lot of males wear them. I don't know. A lot of people think the bubbles are kind of ugly, which is weird to me, but you know what? They're just not true sneakerheads. Now, if you think the bubble's ugly, leave it in the comments below and let's talk about it. No, but really, again, these are all black. I think actually these are sexier than the all white ones. In my opinion, I just love black shoes. Okay. And then we got the off-white foams, which I am obsessed with these. I'm a little upset that I wore these to the gym too many times because I kind of got them a tiny bit dirty. You can see right there. I should have sprayed these with like some of the spray or something, or I'm going to have someone clean my shoes for me, honestly, because I'm going to be bougie like that, and I ain't got no time to clean all my shoes. So I will have somebody clean my shoes for me with some special material because I'm not trying to ruin them. But I would say that all the off-whites are up on the chart for me right now. Then you guys have seen me recently in my video when I flew up into the air in my Ultra Boost, and I love, love, love these. This is my second pair of Ultra Boost. Where have I been? I guess I just didn't like pick up a pair because I thought they weren't like the cutest at first. But holy moly, moly, moly. These are so freaking comfortable. I can wear these every day if I needed to. Like, I could wear them every single day. They're so comfortable. And I remember some people leaving comments when I actually wore those shoes in my last video, telling me like, girl, you have had, I forget who it was, that you've had to have tried the Ultra Boost before since you're a sneakerhead or something like that. And I'm like, you know what, this is my second pair. I'll get all the colors. They're so comfortable. Like, I am obsessed with the Ultra Boost. And then last one I pulled out of the collection today is just my regular Adidas that I just like for cute outfits, casual. I got the ones with the pink. Just like pretty basic, all black, 3 stripes, you know what I'm saying. And I just like these, like, yeah, like, you know, I wear them to the gym. I don't do too much crazy jumping around in them. But for upper body day, it's cute. They're cute with like shorts, like a cute outfit, whatever. I just think these are adorable. So these are some of my oh my gosh. These are some of my favorites that I decided to bring out today. If you guys want to see more videos of my shoe collection, because I have a lot more in there that I haven't pulled out. This is part 2 because it was highly requested. I would, yeah, definitely I'm going to rate right now as I'm looking here. I would say, well, these babies, my new favorites, like just look-wise, yes, because I love this color. Then I love all my off-whites, all of them, and they're all black, so I love all black. And then, of course, my Oregon off-whites here. Let's see if I can pick this up with my toe. Oh, yeah. My off-white Oregon orange and white. I think that looks precious together. And then my ones, of course, I love my ones, you guys. I love ones. So if you got the yellow bumblebee ones, holla at you, girl, because I need those in my life. And that is all I have for you today. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to comment down below which shoe is your favorite. What is your favorite shoe? It might not be any of these, but I do want to know. What's your favorite shoe? What's your preference? What do you like to wear on the daily basis? What do you want to see more of? Do you have any questions for your girl? Let me know. Leave them down below, and I'll see you all in my next video.